Howdy, YouTube people. I've had my goat tool for less than 24 hours. There's a lot of things to talk about and figure out with this goat tool. It's definitely not just not necessarily ready to just go out of the box, kind of, but so there's so many things to talk about and figure out with this that I'm probably gonna try to just do a bunch of short videos as I mess with things, discover things. I've never made a playlist before. I'll try to make some playlist deal. This will be my second video here. So thank you for watching. One of these cutters was just a tiny bit loose. Gripping these, they kind of were bumping into each other to be fully closed. So I tightened one of them and now it's like sticking closed. It kind of stops right here where the cutters are rubbing. And then it does that. Now it doesn't spring open unless I give it a little tiny nudge. I say. Alright, now I just barely loosen both of them. I can barely feel that right there. It's not sticking together at the moment. I've got a few different kinds of wires here. This will be my first ever cutting wires with the goat. I don't know what this is. I don't know the gauges of these. This was on my shed floor. Oh man, it didn't do nothing. Alright, hold on. Well, it's kind of doing it. I mean, I don't do a whole lot of wire cutting, but once in a while, I do need to. It cut this alright. Really small wire. A little bit bigger, no coating. And it's not just clipping right through it like it should at all. I hate to be making some all bad videos on this thing. I do like it. I am liking it. But it's got issues. This is a little bit thicker. Just not quite doing it. It's doable, but not good at all. think it would cut this. Alright, it cut it. They're not coming together at the moment. There it is. Yeah, these cutters are having issues. I'm having focus issues too. And I loosened up the cutters just a tiny hair bit. See if that does anything helpful. No, it doesn't. Alright, well this one might cut a little better than what it did a minute ago. No. That's disappointing so far. Alright, there's not a whole lot of cutter blade that sticks up here. And you just about run into the screw head. You know, it's just that screw head's just barely lower than the edge of the cutter. It's replaceable. Hopefully they can do something about that. Or maybe I'll do something. Yeah, these cutters, this blade should be sticking up more. I think that would make a humongous difference. I'm not sure that there might be a little room there so for these cutters, for the blade edge to stick out further, but not much, or else the pliers won't close.